Alright, so I've been brainstorming a bunch of nonsense. Hopefully, I came up with something decent. I'm gonna do it in 3 modules. A front module, a back module. Once those are in, I'm gonna take this big thing out and then make a big center module. So it's gonna be a big U going all around. And I gotta account for that electrical line going up and over. Today is bench day. I cut a bunch of lumber this morning. We got these 2 things for benches. I gotta figure out how to cut them in the water because we're gonna be driving and building at the same time. Hopefully it goes kind of smooth. We shall see. Coot should be pulling around here any second. It's way easier to load with a smooth ramp as opposed to my big incline. We're gonna load all this stuff. I'm gonna send him on his way and I'm gonna meet him downtown so I can go and get cold refreshments. That'll never get old. There we go. Coots is a dog man. All right, good luck. Be safe. Bye. All right, dude, you gotta gun it when you get out of here. Whoa, 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 whoa. And off goes Coots. So I bought some sunglasses. Look at me now. Got cooler, some wraps. You know, Coots and I are trying to watch our weight. Waiting for Coots to pull up, and then we can get this show on the road more so than it's been on the road.
Pulling up and I see an idiot with an idiotic cat. You know who that is? What a buffoon. Looks like a 60-year-old female gardener.
Ahoy! I'm taping Coots. Who's taping me? Oh, what's going on?
This is what it's like when worlds collide.
Okay, cut. Start over. Ahem. Coots just picked me up. We got everything all loaded up here. Make some seats. All right, first piece assembled and first piece broken. I'm an idiot. We're still cruising down the river. I got this thing built. It's not perfectly square or anything, but we don't know if our boat walls are bowing out or if this thing is just bent in. You can see we got a big old gap there and there and a little one right there. So we got the second bench done. We've pulled out the big shelf finally. Now we gotta cut this wire because it comes through there and then we can't push back the seat because we didn't think ahead. Yeah, I gotta account for that electrical line. I'm under the gun and it's all his fault. Well, it's not your fault, it's the thing in your beards. There we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, for 1. Locked and loaded. We got a little tiny cut. Not too bad. Well, well, well. Look who it is. Look who finally decides to show up for work. Alright, these things are anchored in now, so now I can actually get the measurement for right there. Right? Got the frames built for the middle bench. I'm just waiting on Coots. Alright, today we are building more bench. I made these things last night. I'm gonna put them here and then plywood and then all that fun stuff on top. Here we go. Oh yeah. That one is way taller. Of course it is. Ooh. Yeah, that hurt. I like to put a lot of screws in things. Pretty strong. Get a good tug. Yeah. This thing is low. It seems like it's bending in like that because the middle support is a good 1/8 inch too high. So I have to bend it up real nice. Hot. Alright, so I figured out what the problem was. On the other ones, I put middle beams, like on this wide frame right here, middle beam to hold the load. But for some reason on these ones I didn't. So I gotta go cut 4 more pieces so that way I'll have something to drill in here. Well, that's what happens when you try and go way too fast. You make a lot of mistakes. And that is unfortunately what I do here. There we go. Now, this should be the right height. It is. It's just the walls are bowing out a little bit. Just have to take care of that the old-fashioned way, eh? Who keeps splitting on me? Yep, this one split too. There you have it. There's the dumbest bench you've ever seen built. I'm gonna cut a piece of plywood for it now. Progress has been made. Ta-da. Alright. So I got the table in here, and I just have it wobbly on these two mounts that I got off Amazon. For not being screwed in, it's actually kind of solid. Sort of have a dilemma, because we only have a little bit of distance right here. My chunky thighs can't fit in there. Gotta raise it up a substantial amount. Build up the floor to raise it up. Build up a little stage. Sting like with a 45, another 45 like that, and do the same with the table. So that way we're not getting poked by that thing and the you-know-whats. It's gonna be nice to have a table, get some work done in here, make more videos for you guys. So make sure you like and subscribe and watch all our videos over and 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 over again. Tell your friends. Just cut some corners. This thing kind of chipped out a little bit, but whatever, par for the course. We'll sand it over, make it nice. That way we can not hit our, you know what? Stay tuned. Look at that. Oh, she's a beaut. All right, that actually turned out pretty decent. Sand these up a little, round them over. Muddy pit boat. I got this one board cut. I'm gonna do something like this, and then cut it on an angle so we don't kick our toes. Now we're talking. Let's see how we did. She fits pretty tight, but it's kind of good that way. Oh, there's some hard work sweat right there. Oh yeah, you guys. It's like a charm. I just gotta find out how long this front piece has gotta be and make caps right there and start screwing things down. Soon this table's about to be right on top of there. Holy moly! Bunch of sweaty working man. Sweat drops. That thing's not going anywhere. We're working on the bench. We added all these little blocks to adhere that to.
I did most of the work.
Coots did most of it. Now we gotta nail it in, and there's literally nothing more fun than shooting nails into stuff. Right there, it went right through this thing, so we gotta tone it down. Come on, pressure drop. I literally turned it all the way down and it's not doing anything. Let's see. Now I have no pressure. Yet this thing says we got a lot. That's okay. That one went through again. Tone it down a little more. Why in the world does it do that?
Sounds like you after your vasectomy.
Shooting blanks. Give me a little something. Is this thing really that sensitive where it's... That's better. Still a little deep because this stuff's so thin. I'll shoot a blank. Now it's gonna shoot through it. Well, that's not the worst one. Goes in a little sweaty hard man juice. This thing's so finicky. See, that one's like perfect.
Don't have many chances to dial this in.
Yeah, you're right. Let's go nail stuff. Probably an easier way to do this. This is what we got going on. Alright. Shoot some nails into stuff. When in doubt, just close your eyes, right?
Safety squint. Got a hammer?
Yeah, we'll deal with that in a sec. This is so much fun though. This thing's literally stuck in here. Alright, YouTube, you know how to fix it? Alright, cut the seat, cut the seat.
This is the best part.
There we go. So now what the hell do we do? Why can't we just have fun shooting nails into stuff? Yeah!
Oh my God.
There we go. We're back, baby. All right, and action.
Great belly shot.
Oh, dude, great Patreon footage. They get good angles?
All of them.
What the hell was that? Oh, it shot through. That was where there's no thingy. It literally shot through and hit the back wall. Oh, I did it again. Jesus. Right there. See that? Oh. Flexing for you. Oh, it's just a hot, sweaty mess. Well, it's on there, and it's not moving, so that's good.
Squirt on that glue.
Oh, yeah. They get good angles?
All of them.
Oh, yeah, that was it. And then you take the hammer. And here we go. Oh, yeah. Good thing, man.
Maybe it's hitting a screw.
Yeah, it probably is. There we go. That's so simple now. 2 down, 1 to go. Next!
Squirt on that glue.
God! They make it look so easy on YouTube. It'll just be a little time lapse of some dude like. Oh, that's it right there. I just gotta whack it super hard right here. I'm filming just dripping shot. We've just finished up doing all this stuff. Tomorrow's gonna be the floor right there. Coots is right there. Not helping me. Today we're trying to finish the floor. Just put the same flooring that's over there and then mount the 2 pedestals for the table. It's also another hot and muggy, sweaty day, so you're gonna see lots of liquid sweat. Oh boy, this liquid sweat. Oh, and stupid ideas. Table saw, I've had it for probably 25 or almost 30 years. I don't know why my dad decided to buy a 10 or 11-year-old table saw. The DW744 Type 1. It stands the test of time. Hopefully my dad looking down on me smiling. How much use I got out of this. How awesome the boat looks. Oh yeah. And put that right in there, and of course it does not fit because I didn't account for this little part right there, so I gotta chop that guy off. What can you do? That's life. Got a bunch of screws. Now it's just time to figure out where to actually put it and drill and screw. Got the big boy bit in there. Here we go. Oh yeah, that thing's not going anywhere. Alright, seems like it's really strong. I'm a little jittery because I drank a coffee and a Red Bull today. I knew today was gonna be a big day that I needed to be amped up for. This kind of looks like it might have cracked a little bit right there. So I gotta make sure I don't drill too much in. Ta-da. Yeah, that thing's not going anywhere. Alright, I think we are good to go. Almost done. Oh, that's awesome. Right there. Of course, it's the last one. Mother. I'm an idiot. I just can't hold back. These damn Red Bulls. It was pretty sturdy though. Seems like it'll take a bump or two, which is what's gonna happen.